This is the week 15 assignment, which was to create a full CRUD application using React that updates the database. And I chose to use mock API. I went out to a dog API in order to get some data to show, which I then copy pasted into mock API so that I could do the add, delete, update operations on it. So this is the data that whenever I mess it all up, I just have this temporarily holding it so I can copy it over there. Let me just save this. And then in the index file, I am using bootswatch to just kind of play around with it and see what other kind of styling I could apply to Bootstrap because it's so damn boring. And within the root, you render the app. And within the app, we render, whoops. What's in display dog? And I don't have that up. Display dog is my main logic, which I will actually have a lot of comments this time. Sets the API URL for mock API. It sets the state for dogs to blank array. And then whenever the state changes, the use effect hook will render and display the current data that's in the mock API database. This is the get dogs function, which goes out to the API. It gets the data, converts it to JSON, and then that data is then set state using the set dogs function that is defined up here, right here. So this is the function and this is the state. Then when there's a button, when they click on the update dog or the delete dog, it will pass in the dog ID to the component that does the update dog or the delete dog. And the main HTML that's returned is a card for each dog, which has the name, the breed, the group, and an image. And then this here is how it accesses the components, and it sends in again the dog ID, and then get dogs is set to the function get dogs, which is passed in so that it can call it within the component. So when something's updated or deleted, it will re-render on the screen with the actual state that we have. The add dog function. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna delete. The add dog function sets the state for the new variables and the Bootstrap modal variables. And this is the actual update that goes out there, and it sets, it posts this oh my God, object. And then afterwards, it runs that get dog function to re-render the state. And then it sets the fields in the forms to blank. This is just the modal and the button to add a dog. Update dog is same thing. It sets the fields for the update. The modal, it sends the updated object and puts it to the API URL with the correct dog ID that's being updated. Sets the fields to blank, and this is their modal. And delete dog goes out and sends that ID out to delete. And this is the actual app. So here are the dogs. I can add a dog. There was only 4 dogs to start. So this is the one that was just added, and I gave that photo. I can update it. I'm just going to send the same photo, and you can see it changed to 456, and then I can delete it, and that's it.